In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an employee ID in QuickBooks Accountant. This process is simple and shouldn't take more than a few minutes to complete. Let's get started with the first step. You'll want to locate and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the QuickBooks login page. If you haven't done so already, make sure you have your QuickBooks login credentials handy. Once you're on the login page, it's essential to select QuickBooks Online from the available options. This choice ensures you're navigating to the right platform where you can manage your employee details efficiently. After selecting QuickBooks Online, you'll need to type in your credentials. That means entering your username and password. Remember to double check for any typos to avoid errors during login. Once everything's filled in, simply hit the Continue button to proceed. After logging in successfully, navigate to the Employees page. You can easily find this by looking for the Employees tab in the QuickBooks interface. Clicking on it will lead you to a list of all your employees. Here, it's crucial to scrutinize the list carefully to find the specific employee whose ID you want to add or update. When you've located the employee profile, click on it to open more detailed information about the employee. This action will open a new window or page displaying various sections related to the employee's data. Once you're on the employee's profile page, focus on the section labeled Employment Details. This is where all the employment-specific information is stored, including the employee ID field. It might take a glance around, but this section is generally easy to spot. Next, you will see an option to edit the details within this section. Clicking on Edit allows you to make changes to the employee's profile. Here you can add or update the employee ID with the correct information. Make sure that the ID is accurate and follows any format or standards your company adheres to. Lastly, after entering the employee ID, it's vital to save your changes. Locate and click the Save button to ensure that your updates are stored in the system. This action will overwrite any previous information and finalize the process, making sure that the new employee ID is retained in the records. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added an employee ID in QuickBooks Accountant. By following these steps, you ensure that your employee records are up to date and accurately reflected in your accounting software. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out our other tutorials for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.